guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna explain you about archaeologists and historians. It's not a lesson, but it's social. And today we are learning about archaeologists and historians. First we will learn about archaeologists and then go to the historians. So historians will help archaeologists in the things. So I will explain you about it later. So let's start it. Now archaeologists will find things in the past. Means in present only, in future also they will do. In present, the archaeologists will go in search of things that are used in the past. In the past, the people will throw all the things, will hide the things. An archaeologist, with help of some people, they will go and dig the mud and take out that things, or they will find it any places, and they can find and they will give to historians. What will historians do? So I'm gonna tell it now. Past means nothing but you have doubt with past, right? So I'm gonna tell it now. I think I can rub this, so I'm rubbing it. So past, now the present time is 1 p.m. So let's take 1 p.m. for the present time. So this is present time. Present. The time which is now present there is called present. Okay, present. So it's 1 p.m. over here. Then 2 p.m. is future. The things that happen after the present is called future. That we can't know. Future, what will happen? No one knows in the world. They will go to time machine, they can find past. So like that. Then let's learn about the past that we want to learn now. So present is 1 p.m. though. So 12 noon is past. Okay? So present time is this. Present time is this. 1 p.m. is present. Now the time which is going on now is called present. And the time which will come after this time is future. We can think it's tomorrow, day after tomorrow, like that for future. Now the past means means the things happen before present is called past. So if you will understand the present, you can understand the past and future easily. So please make sure that you understand, and like, share, subscribe if you understood this topic. So archaeologist is done. Archaeologists will go in search of things used in the past. So archaeologists will give historians the things that they collected. The archaeologists will go in search of things. Then the things will be collected, like 2-3 also will be collected now. So there will be many archaeologists and many historians. So many archaeologists will go in search of things, and they will find them, and how many you think they gave, like this, that only. So they will go in search of things, and then when they return back with that things, they will return them to historians. After they will give to historians, what historians will do? historians will research on them. Okay, research on the things and make documents. Documents means nothing but we can know, means in libraries there will be these documents. We can learn with them, means we can know about past, what happened. They will create like historians will make books, and then will keep in library. The persons who will keep the documents that historians did, they will keep in library now. There will be another person to keep them in library. They will go to historians, and historians will give the documents that they prepared and tell them to keep in library, and they will go and keep. So historians will research on the things and make documents and keep it in library. When we keep it in library, when we go to the government libraries and all famous libraries, we can see that documents, and then we can read the past and we can know what historians did. So that's the reason we know what historians did. So they will prepare documents, and we can in museums also we can see that things which the people used in the past. So I hope you guys went to any museum. Comment down below if you went. So I'm gonna answer you some questions. Now the present time is 2 p.m. said Rahul. Then what is the future then? Asked the Balu. So Ramu asked, present is Ramu tell present time is 2 p.m. So then Balu told, what is future time for 2 p.m? He told. So what does it help Balu to get answer? Means Ramu also don't know that answer. So help Balu to know the answer. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and comment down below the last question if you know. And please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Peace out, bye.